Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This weekend we had a wonderful event at Crown and Press, and then we had to cancel the second night for a snowstorm. So then it is being rescheduled, but I wanted to bring you the event and show you what we did at Crown and Press, my gallery in Hamilton, Ontario. It was such a wonderful way to spend Valentine's. So you're seeing this happy belated Valentine's, but this was a jazz event and it was the Glen Paul Trio. They played, and then Abigail Veenstra, my daughter, she sang along with them, and it was absolutely beautiful. So come along, let's get into the video. I'll show you what happened. It's gonna be great. So I think we're on. So I've got Zoe here, who is my co-op student, and she's doing the videotaping tonight. I always say that, videotaping. It's so old-fashioned. There's no tape involved. It's because you're 90. Oh, I'm so old. But it's gonna be great. You're gonna love to hear it.
like this if Glenn will let us. The bar is still open. Please enjoy yourselves and have a great evening. Thank you.
So that was it. I was supposed to film a closing the door, exhausted after cleaning up and, just locking the door segment. I totally forgot. We got it all cleaned up and we're so tired and we just went straight home. But I hope that you really enjoyed that. Like and subscribe for more. Like I said before, my channel is all about living and working artfully, and this evening was a great way to live. I just really enjoyed it. I hope you did too. Welcome back to the next video.